Hi guys, welcome to my raffle. This is your chance for just £30 a ticket to win this 70,000 mile Puma 2.2 TDCi Stage 2. This car has had £30,000 spent in our Mahker workshop. And if you just check out some of the extras, so we've got the stainless steels Titan sill upgrade, we've got the Billet hinges and Puddle lit Billet wing mirror arms, we've got Billet handles. This has a £15,000 interior upgrade. This has got the full, if you come and look at this, this has got the rustic interior. This is what's known as diesel hide. So it basically wears with age. It's a fantastic colour and we just believe it's a timeless finish. This has got 4 seats, 2 fold-up seats in the rear, 2 in the front obviously, billet shifter handles, the wooden Mahker wheel, snap-off wheel for extra security. This car has got it all. It's got a 3-inch exhaust system, turbo back. It's got everything you can imagine you can add to a Defender 90 basically. So some of you will be asking, why are we raffling this vehicle? So a lot of people reach out to me, people that are like 18 to like 30 years old, and they keep saying, Dave, I'll never get insured on an LS Defender or one with the 330D engine because it's modified. The only modifications is a remap, exhaust and intercooler. This will get insured on an NFU policy. The vehicle is worth, I want to say, around £50,000. If you were to add the upgrades in there, this is £60,000 plus worth of vehicle. I bought the vehicle about 2 years ago for £45,000. It's an excess spec, it's got every extra you can imagine in a Puma. And then we added the interior, we added the LED lights, we added the NAS Step, ORE wheel carrier. It's got all of it, guys. So if you want to be in the chance of winning a Defender for your family or just for daily use, buy the ticket today for just £30. It's a great car, don't miss out.